Okay, guys. Today we are going to learn about the DNA research institutions in Hamilton Health. It's called Hugen Bio. Well, as we live longer, the chances of facing cancer and dementia, this kind of disease also increase. So it's now no longer just living longer, but it's about living healthier. This is why predicting disease and taking preventive action is a game changer in the healthcare industry. So in 2014, Hamley acquired Hugen Bio, a genetic research laboratory officially certified by the Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency. So it is recognized the highest certification grade. Today, I'm very excited to introduce two genetic tests, CellScan and CellAge, and these tests analyze genetic data to predict disease and provide personalized health solutions using Hamilton's functional health products. So let's take a look with the CellScan first. So CellScan test helps identify three critical factors. Number one, whether you have cancer-related gene mutations. Number two, if tumor suppressor genes are functioning properly. Number three, the presence of dementia-related genes. And by combining these three factors, this remarkable CellScan test, they also tracked the progression of 15 major cancers by organ. And that's something that other ordinary hospitals cannot provide. It's something really unique. And let's take a look first about how does cancer develop. So when cells are continuously exposed to factors such as smoking, chemicals, aging, stress, even too much sunlight, genetic mutations can begin. But we don't have to be afraid too much because you don't develop cancer right away. It's when this kind of harmful stimuli are applied repeatedly over time, then cellular mutations can occur. And it usually takes a long time for one cell to mutate. They say it takes about 10 years. So, but once it becomes a cancer cell, both the mutation speed and growth speed, they speed up rapidly. So that's why early detection and prevention are the best strategy for cancer prevention and cancer treatment. And this is a new term you're going to learn today. It's called the cell-free DNA. When your cells are constantly exposed to these stimuli, they eventually mutate and simply say they break into fragments, like small particles. So these fragments called cell-free DNA, they float in your bloodstream. So we call them cell-free DNA because it used to be cell, but now it has been broken down and no longer part of an intact cell. So that's why we call them cell-free DNA. So by drawing blood samples and analyzing these tiny microscopic DNA fragments in your blood, we trace them back to their original genes and identify which genes are mutating. So this requires highly advanced technology to magnify and analyze such microscopic cell-free DNA. So it's logical. When you're healthy, your cells, there is no reason for your genes cells to break apart. So may have very little cell-free DNA in your blood. But when genetic mutations occur, you're not in good conditions, the amount of cell-free DNA in blood increases. So, cells can test, they identify, first of all, whether mutations are occurring in any of the 29 cancer-related genes. So cancer is more likely to develop when 3 or more genetic mutations occur at the same time, as you see from the slide. So I put these 2 questions in the slide. Question number 1, can cancer develop even if your genetic information is okay, is normal? Question number 2, is it possible to remain cancer-free even if cancer-related genetic mutations? So the answer is that having mutated genes does not necessarily mean you will develop cancer. And on the other hand, even if you have not much mutations like this, cancer may still occur. And why is that? It depends on whether your tumor suppressor genes remain active. So methylation, this is a new term we also learned today. So very important factors we need to check. So when these tumor suppressor genes are precious gift that protect us. God gave us this suppressing tumor suppressing genes as gift. However, when they are repeatedly damaged by external stress, free radicals, toxics, then they become inactivated. And we call this condition, inactivated conditions, methylations. So in this state, it's as if the firewall is wide open toward cancer. That means you can grow cancer anytime. You are defenseless against this. That's why cells can test, not only checks about cancer-related genes mutation, it also checks whether out of this 11 tumor suppressor genes, if there anything that have been switched off. So once a cell has already become cancerous, when it becomes a cancer cell, you cannot make it normal again. You just have to get rid of it by operation or radiation therapy, chemotherapy. It must be removed. But fortunately, methylated cells, methylated tumor suppressor genes can be restored because it's like it's switched off, so you can switch it on again. With which product? With LifeMill and Hugen Food that Biana is going to give us a lecture about Hugen Food soon today. And other than these 2 results, cells can test also detects genetic risk factors for Alzheimer, stroke, and other forms of dementia. Because dementia-related genes are strongly influenced by heredity. It's not decided by how you live, your lifestyle, but it's highly influenced by your inheritance from heredity. So even teenagers, like 15 years, 16 years, they can show early warning signs with dementia or stroke. So because it's in their DNA. And since this disease can be slowed with medication, if you detect them early, knowing that whether you carry these genetic markers, that would be extremely helpful. So by the time symptoms appear and you visit the hospital, it may be a little too late. But by having this test, you can check whether you have dementia and stroke-related DNA. So this is the power of predictive and preventive medicine. It helps us take control of our health before disease ever happens. And by combining these 3 factors, cell scan test also evaluates the progression of risk for 15 major cancers: prostate, stomach, colon, liver, lung, thyroid, pancreas, kidney, brain, blood. So about these 15 major cancers, you check the progression of your current state. So as you see below, if it's red color, high risk, immediate medical consultation and intensive management are necessary. It's required. In case it's purple zone, like a moderate borderline risk, lifestyle adjustment and proactive health management are essential to reduce risk. And I've never seen anyone with low risk, gray color, because we modern people are exposed to so much toxic and stress. So if it's yellow, with yellow close to low risk, then it means you are stable, you are okay. But when it's purple close to red and even red zone, that means the cancer progression is going on. So you need to take a proactive action immediately. The reason why we take this test is that it's all about early detection, because human body naturally produces about 5,000 cancer cells every day. Do you know? Have you known this before? Like every day, this Monday, our body produces 5,000 cancer cell. But as long as the immune system is working fine, they're good, then it can eliminate them before they become a problem, right? And it usually takes more than 10 years for one single cell to develop into cancer. However, once a tumor forms, it can grow from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter in just 1 year. So it takes 10 years to become a tumor, but once it becomes a cancer tumor, then it only takes a year to size double up. So it's very alarming. So when at that stage, it's extremely difficult to stop, and it costs a lot of money and damage in your body. So that's why prevention and early detection is so important. And standard hospital test cannot detect smaller than 1 centimeter, but with the cell scan test, you can see the progression at a much earlier stage and take preventive action. And this is the second test you can have from Hugen Bio Laboratory, cell age test. So as you can tell from its name, it tells your true biological age. So unlike your chronological age, your cellular age, your biological age reflects the actual condition of your body and how well you are aging. The test measures telomeres length. These four blue part at the end of the DNA, these are called telomeres. It's like a plastic tips on shoelace, so they are protecting the four ends of DNA. And every time your cells divide, your telomeres shortened, as you see from over here. As telomeres get shorter, cells lose their ability to regenerate and accelerating aging. So by measuring the length of your DNA's telomere, we can understand the overall health condition and the speed, aging speed, because each person have different rate at which telomeres shrinks. So it's not all the same for everyone. It's different. It really depends on your health condition. So by comparing your telomere length to your actual age, this test determines your biological age and provide personalized recommendations to slow down aging and improve overall health. The good news is that you can slow down telomere shortening speed through proper nutrition, especially antioxidant intake. So, what is the antioxidant? Live meal is one of the antioxidant food, and Fusion food that Viana is going to share with us today is also a potent antioxidant product. So let's also talk about epigenetics. So epigenetic is the study of how our diet and lifestyle can change the way our genes work without changing the genes themselves. So even though the DNA stays the same, different food can turn certain genes on and off. This is the example of honeybees. So all female honeybees start with the same genes. So any of them could become a queen. For the first 3 days after they're born, they all eat royal jelly. But after that, most of the honeybees they switch to pollen and honey, not royal jelly, and then they grow into worker bees. But only the special few keep having feeding royal jelly, and they becomes a queen bee. And even they share the exactly same DNA, what they eat as they grow, making a big difference. Worker bees, as you see, they're only half size of queen bee, and they only live about 45 days. But the queen bee grows more than twice as big and lives over 30 times longer than worker bees. And and most importantly, they have fertility. They can lay up to 2 million eggs. They can have babies. So they have the same genes, but different food leads to completely different outcomes. And we also learned the eight mystery of life meal. So I'm sure you are familiar with this comparison. So even if you were born with healthy genes, poor diet and lifestyle can alter gene expression, not only for yourself, but it affects next generations, your children's health. And on the other hand, a healthy diet and lifestyle can positively influence genetic expression, benefiting even future generations. So that's why with the cell scan and cell age test, we can identify risk early and adopt healthier habits. We can not only improve our own health, but also create a healthier foundations for the next generations. So uh, med this is the identity and philosophy that Family Health Business is based on. It's about epigenetics and preventive and predictive medicine. Okay, so we've learned about Fusion Bio DNA Research Lab. And any of you have questions for Fusion Bio? No?
I have a question.
Okay,
So,
Gretel.
can at this stage are those tests only done in Korea at the Aram Hospital?
Yes. So, Family Business is open in USA and Korea officially in two countries, but the hospital is only in Korea. But this is about patent technology. The cell-free DNA, the microscopic uh, particles in your blood. So they use this patent technology to magnify them and trace them back to their origin. So they have this technology and machines, special machines. So the reason why I'm introducing this all of you is that I hope you guys can visit Korea and experience all of this infrastructure. But one day, you might be able to find the right people, right clinic, right hospital in Jakarta, in Indonesia, and bring this infrastructure to Indonesia, because this is really it's because Hemily Business, it's not just about, we are now introducing product first, but there are a lot of medical background there. So you guys can use it for your business for Indonesia. So as you guys are the pioneering leaders, I want you to learn about this. And I hope you can experience it for yourself one day. Okay?
Okay.
And about methylation, that cells can analyze the tumor suppressor genes, methylations, and also anti-aging, about anti-aging. The core product is LifeMill and Hugen Food. So Biane is going to give us a lecture about Hugen Food today. It's only small, it's only the size of your pinky nail. It's very small, but it's potent. It really affects the gene's expression. It's that much powerful. So Biane, you sent me your file, right? Let me check. Mhm.
Kalau Mas kurang tinggi. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Can you give me 3 minutes, please?
Oh, sure, sure.
Is it
Take
okay?
your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you.
Take your time. Uh, mm. While we are waiting for Biane, okay, for 3 minutes, we can also we can review the DNA system. So Hemily is providing solutions following DNA, detoxification, nutrients, and activation systems. And LifeMill encompasses all three categories. And each products are categorized under DNA. And let me show you this. Oops. So Hugen Food belongs to, it's categorized under detoxification category. And we have, for detoxification, we have Hugen Food, enzymes, probiotics, fiber, curcumin, morosil. And we have about, including the medical device, we have about 30 to 40 products. But out of all these products, these are the 5 core um, immunity care. We call this care pack. It's for intensive immunity care. LifeMill and Immune Food Max, which is for activation, and 3 detoxification products: Hugen Food, potent antioxidant, and enzymes and probiotics. So these are the core 5 products we use for any immune-related disorders. And among these 5, these 3, LifeMill, Immune Food, Mac, Hugen Food, these are the essential. Well, probiotics, enzymes are amazing, but these are the 3 products. And Dr. James Huang said, if you take these 3, you can live without disease. We can make cancer-free world. That's how much this combination is potent. LifeMill, it's cleansing your blood, so it's about detoxification. It provides quality nutrition, and it also includes immune boosting materials. And Immune Food Max is an intelligent immune regulator. It is not just strengthening your immune system, it can also balance and calm it down when it's up and down, when it's out of control. And the Fusion Food, it's powerful enough to switch on your methylated tumor suppressor genes. So these three are the main, like essential three products. So Fiona, are you ready? Okay,
Yes,
then
I am ready.
let's share. Mm-mm.
Maria, can you help me to share
Yes,
my
I
profile?
am trying
Thank
to
you.
open your
Okay.
PPT.
Mm-hmm.
It's open, but it's blank. I don't know
Oh,
why. Oh.
okay, okay. Let me
Um,
try, yeah. Okay.
hmm. I can see there are 29 slides there, but it's all black and blank. Hmm.
Let me try from my phone.
Okay. Or if it's not working, we have another PPT for Fusion Food. So let's try with yours first.
Can you guys see my
Yes,
PowerPoint?
yes.
Okay. Okay, we try, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
My- Okay, guys. Yes, I am Fiona. I am from, yeah, have noisy, noisy voice behind me. Can you hear? No?
It's not noisy at all. We can hear
Okay,
you.
okay, that's good. Okay. So today I will show you about the Hogan food. Yeah. So reversing DNA methylation about Hogan food. Um, what is methylation? Is DNA methylation is natural product, chemical tags are ended. Oh, sorry. Yeah, chemical tags are ended to DNA, a gene activity. It's part of epigenetic. And as you know, we learn from Maria today about the amazing things. Yeah, so now we will see the benefit of vegan food. Correct. So as I tell you guys last week, what we learned about the products of family split into 4 category: DNA plus live meal. So DNA, detoxification, nutrition, activation, and live meal. And vegan food, what we will learn today is categorized on detoxification. Yeah. And here, like the point 1 about reactive oxygen species or ROS, free radicals, and unstable molecules that trigger oxidative stress, leading to accelerate cell aging and damage to DNA, cells, membranes, and vital cellular function. So, according to WHO, 90% of human disease are lack for the free radicals. Aside from the factors, most illness stem from oxidative stress. And in here, we can see how ROS affect the body, like enzyme plus ROS become enzyme inactivation, and fat plus ROS become like lipid peroxidation, and genes plus ROS become the DNA methylation, cancer cell formation. So in here, like ROS damage key part of the body. Sorry. So free radical are a
Vianney, I accidentally turned off your microphone. Could you turn it on again? Yep, right. Good.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. So we will see here like the free radical are substance molecule with unpaired electrons because they are unstable. They steal electrons from healthy cell, causing damage, and this process lead to oxidative stress. So the source is pollution, smoking, unhealthy food, UV exposure, and stress, and other things. And the solution is antioxidant fruit from fruits, vegetables, vitamins, vitamin C and A, and help neutralize free radical and protect the body. And I think we learned from Maria today about the cancer gen mutation report. So, and this is the important things about this product. Switch of tumor to surprising gene. It means DNA methylation. A stage in which tumor suppressed genes fail to express properly, and closely like to cancer, chronic disease, and generative condition. So this is the function, how to switch on, switch off the methylation in our body. So this product, one of the good function for DNA methylation. So dual action for regular protection. So with this product, a powerful oxidant that remove harmful free radical, the root cause of the most disease. I think this is like amazing things because go deep directly to the root, to the cause of the most disease. A methylation corrector the refers abnormal gene methylation. So I think so. In this product, we have like 10 uh 10 oxidase in the ingredient meticulously perfluorate. So like we see here the 10R pattern in this product, the quality product combine become amazing things product for Hugen food. Hugen food, sorry. So this is 10 kind of the product like selenium plus 10 sub ingredients eliminate eliminates free radicals outside the cell. And second is phytogen 10R restore DNA methylation inside the cell. So Fusion food energy with live milk. Do you want to age slowly? Yeah, then we recommend you to take vegan food and live meal together. So this is like the way you can drink the vegan food and live meal. Yeah, and this is like the progress after take this product. This is atopic dermatitis, and also this is atopic dermatitis. Or yeah, before and after you can see the difference. Psoriasis disease, you can see also in the left side and the right side the difference. And also this one, cardiovascular condition and obesity. And yeah, this is the progress. And even we can see the less of the high risk. I think Maria explained a little bit for us before, so I will not go. Yeah. So vegan food is to remove free radical from your body and improve methylation is very important for your overall health. So we recommend you to drink this product. And vegan food benefit for powerful antioxidant to remove free radicals, and it serves as methylation, remove the restore healthy methylation in cells. And actually, I just finished this try consume this product, and I see the benefit of my health. Before, like I'm very easy to get flu, very easy to feel weak, but with this product I see the good condition. And I think my body, my activity more strong than before. And yeah, I can feel the different big difference after 2 weeks I consume this product. So, and I just want to remind us again about mission of Arom Healthcare. And sorry, I put this one in bahasa. Ya, kami mengubah 5 beban berat dalam hidup menjadi kondisi kesehatan yang menyeluruh. Ya, I just want to remind us about our mission. Physical, 5 health is physical health, mental health, social health, spiritual health, and financial being. And also, I want to reminding us again because we learn about 3 products before about life meal, yeah, and have one more. Today we learn about the vegan food, yeah. And why I bring these 3 products again to reminding us because have event, we will have event with Maria this week, especially on Friday, Saturday, Sunday until Monday. So this is like the product we learn already about the Good Morning Life Meal, Wild Life Meal, and Red Ginseng Life Meal, and also the new one, the newest one is we learn about vegan food, and I put here like Immune Food Max and Life BAM, because like the Immune Food Max, this is a recommendation by Dr. Wong for us free cancer, and Life BAM also part of the amazing product. We will learn, but I tell this product because we can order before Maria come to Jakarta. And also, I just want to tell us as a member or as a distributor, when we order or when we order, we get 35% discount, or about 35 discount for the distributor. So thank you. Together with Era, let's make the world a better place through the power of the holistic health. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. And we have team here, have Kalodi and Maria too. Thank you.
Okay, so any questions about Fusion Bio and Fusion Food or about meat seminar coming up this week?
Sorry, I missed about the seminar. Can you explain again what times on Friday and Saturday did you say?
Okay, actually, this is a good news for us because, Maria, sorry, can I explain in bahasa? Oke, sure. Jadi ini hal yang luar biasa bagi kami karena Perhimpunan Dokter Umum seluruh Indonesia, mereka mau buat MOU dengan kita. Dan nanti di hari Sabtu, itu seharian kita akan fokus di situ. Dan Maria akan datang ke Jakarta itu hari Kamis malam, ya, minggu ini. Dan hari Jumat kita rencana akan ada seminar onsite mulai dari jam 5 sore. Jam 5 sore itu di Jakarta Pusat. Jadi kalau ada rekomendasi dari teman-teman yang ada di Jakarta dan sekitarnya, silakan ya. Jadi hari Jumat seminar Friday, the first seminar. Sekarang 15 orang. I think now we open for 20 people. I think now around 15 people already, 10 about 15 people. Itu yang pertama. Yang kedua hari Sabtu dengan dokter-dokter. The second meeting with the doctors, and the third is Saturday. Hari Sabtu itu kita masih ada karena kita mau follow up dari pertemuan dokter-dokter, dan yang belum terakomodasi di hari Jumat bisa kita pindahkan ke hari Minggu malam, makan malam bersama, ya. So for Sunday, we prepare accommodate for do the follow up from the doctors, and also if still have a friend want to meet us, not happen on Friday, they can meet us on Sunday night. Dan juga kami mau menjual produk pada saat seminar, and we want to sell a product during the seminar and the event, because we open booth in the event. Kita buka booth di acara dengan penandatanganan dengan para dokter. Ya, jadi gambaran besar seperti ini yang akan terjadi, dan saya rasa ini sangat luar biasa banget ya percepatan yang Tuhan berikan buat kita. Gitu Kak Gretel. Jadi Kak Gretel, kalau ada teman yang kakak rasa, oh kayaknya dia potensi deh untuk bersama-sama dengan Kak Gretel di tim ini, oh silakan datang bersama-sama dengan kami. Nanti semoga undangannya akan datang segera. Ya, ada lagi pertanyaan? Silakan.